We here at the Hilton Westchester. We're doing some demos how to cook at the grill at home. We move into a snapper. I mean, this is a yellowtail snapper. How do you tell? It's a line. This snappers are caught in two different areas: deep waters or shallow waters. Not too shallow, not too deep. And how you tell is the size by the eye. If you see the eye, it's a pretty nice size, so that means that this one is between deep and shallow waters. Beautiful fillet. It's nice and clean. Eye still clear. Your fillet, when you press it down, it pops back up. Okay. We're gonna stuff the snapper with some lemons, herbs, and we're gonna do herb marinade. So we're gonna start with salt in the inside, both sides, and we're gonna cut both fillets deep enough, and that way it gets cooked evenly. People like to do crust. I like to do only one side, and that way my meat just stay in the fish. Some lemons. We're gonna do a mix of basil and parsley. You can feed more lemons you put in, better flavor you're gonna have. So as I'm pushing it in, that way I can shape it to have everything inside without pushing the fillets. Herb marinade inside and outside. You don't want to put too much in the outside. That way you don't create too much smoke into your grill. Some salt. On both sides. So you want to make sure you find your hottest spot. That way it doesn't stick to the grill. So while our fishes get cooked in the grill, we're gonna do some finishing sauce for it. We're gonna start off with some garlic. It's being minced. Some lemon zest, lime zest, some orange zest, extra virgin olive oil. Want to have enough of that. Some thinly sliced chives. Some salt. You can put a little more of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to set that to the side until our snapper gets cooked. Putting all the lemons and the herbs and all the marinade inside the cavity of the fish is going to, all the aromas from all these herbs and lemons are going to get into the flake of the fillet. So that's going to enhance a lot of flavor into your fish. You can do this same techniques with any kind of small fish. You know, you could do it with branzino, you can do it with striped bass, snapper, any small fish about 2 pounds maximum. I would highly recommend the same technique.